Milwaukee homeowners who do not pay their 2017 property taxes before the end of the year could be costing themselves.
Milwaukee Mayor Tom Barrett urging residents to pay the bill this week before dramatic changes to the new tax law go into effect. Ben Jordan's here to tell us who's impacted. Ben?
George and Shannon, this particularly affects those who itemize taxes. Mayor Barrett says those who pay their property taxes before the end of the year will be able to deduct that amount come tax season. The line inside City Hall stretches the entire length of the building.
Trying to pay taxes. I should have came down earlier, but I was stalling.
And moves at a slow pace.
There's two things I don't do. Go to places like this or the grocery store in a hurry.
It's full of Milwaukee residents making sure their property taxes are paid before the new year. Mayor Tom Barrett says the federal tax changes President Donald Trump signed into law last week are going to have an immediate impact on some taxpayers in Wisconsin.
They have until January 31st, but if they make the payment after January 1st, their ability to deduct that payment will be severely hampered.
Barrett says this is relevant for those who itemize their taxes rather than take the standard deduction. Roughly 25% of Milwaukee residents do so.
Individuals who have property tax bills and income tax liability to the state of Wisconsin that exceeds $10,000, that amount above $10,000 will no longer be deductible.
Some states along the East Coast allow residents to prepay their 2018 property taxes before the end of the year to also be able to deduct that amount as well.
It is unfortunate that the state of Wisconsin has not taken action.
If you want to avoid that huge line that will only grow over the next couple of days, City Hall isn't the only place to pay your property taxes. There are 9 U.S. banks across the city where you can pay as well. George?
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Ben.